In this quick guide, I'll replace the hard drive cable on a MacBook Pro 17-inch Unibody. Tools you'll need: Phillips screwdriver, Torx T6, plastic smudger and replacement SATA cable. Begin with the laptop powered off and flip it over to remove the lower case screws. Disconnect the battery connector to prevent any shorts before touching internal components. Remove the hard drive bracket screws and lift the drive out of its bay carefully. Expose the hard drive cable connector and flip up the thin ZIF latch to release it. Carefully peel the old cable from the chassis adhesive and unplug it from the logic board. Prepare the new cable and align its connector to the board socket, ensuring correct orientation. Seat the connector firmly, then close the ZIF latch to lock the cable in place. Route the cable under the guide clips, press the adhesive down, and reinstall the hard drive bracket. Reconnect the battery, replace the lower case, and tighten all screws to secure the chassis. Power on the MacBook and confirm it boots to the Apple logo. Replacement complete.